Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is April at Willow May Ranch. I have some feeds I want to talk about for chickens. I've been feeding for about a week. I started mixing my own chicken feed to get more egg production, but I want to show you and talk about what all's in these feeds and what animals it's good to feed it to. So you're going to start rolled oats. We're going to mix this in a big barrel full of chicken feed, and then black old sunflower seeds. These is good for the coat, the hair, the skin, the nails, plus they need the extra protein in the wintertime because they're producing a lot more and they're exhausting more of their fat to keep themselves warm. And cracked corn is really good for wintertime. And we're going to mix all three of those up, and this is what I use for my feed for my chickens. Okay, now that we've talked about chicken feed and what all we feed our chickens, I want to talk about trying to start getting chickens of your own for a family. You don't have to start out with 50 or 60 or 20 chickens. Start out with just one chicken per person. I have 4 hens that I feed, and they make good egg production. And I just wanted to talk about what we feed them and what you got to do to care for them, and other uses for the rolled oats and the black sunflower seeds. You can also feed them to your horses. That helps with their coat and fat gaining during the wintertime to keep them warm. So with that being said, we're going to go in the house and we're going to make some chicken soup. And
Okay, now let's move on to the chicken soup as promised. You need to chop up all of your ingredients, and this is what I'm showing you about what it looks like. You're going to chop up 1 whole chicken, half of an onion, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Add in your chopped celery, your matchstick carrots, and to this you're going to pour almost the entire container of beef broth or chicken broth, whichever is your favorite. I'm using chicken. And we're going to let that simmer for about 4 hours. And to the end, we're going to add right there 1.5 cups of cornstarch mixed with warm water to thicken it up. And then we're going to add our noodles, which are potato noodles. And add about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream and your spinach in the last 30 minutes. And I forgot to record this part. I'm sorry, you guys, but after it's finished, it's delicious. And that's it. Stay tuned for next week. I'll try to upload a video on Wednesday afternoon. Thanks. Come again. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye.